Hey, what's up, YouTube? Thanks for joining me here at Paid to Trade. So, if you're ever wondering why we might be experiencing extra volatility, even when there's no additional market news out there, it's probably because we're right around an expected move for the week. And so, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find that expected move. I'll tell you a little bit more about it. So, stay tuned for that. If you'd like to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, so as you can see on my charts, I have these purple lines drawn out. And so those are the expected moves for that particular week. So basically, the market is expecting us to achieve a certain price point. And what happens is once we get near that price point, we tend to see some extra volatility. And then if we end up sticking around that price point, we might exceed it. And if we do, whether it's above or below, sometimes we'll see the market take will double that particular move. So in this case here, the market's expecting roughly a 300-point move from the middle, right? So if we get up to here, and if we end up breaking above that, there's a chance we might double that or even triple that move for that week. So it's just something to watch out for. You don't necessarily need to take trades based on that because the price doesn't always reverse on a dime at that particular price level, but it's something that's worth noting on your charts. So in order to find that, it's very simple. I use Thinkorswim. With Thinkorswim, you can go up to the top here, go to trade, and this is where you find all your options contracts. All right, and so I already have this one selected. This is for August of 2023. This is ending week 1. Okay, and as you can see from this particular moment on, the market's expecting a variance of 268. So that's 268 points up or 268 points down from this particular price. So to find the most accurate price, what you want to do is just locate this over the weekend or sometime Friday after market close, about 2 hours after market close. Then you would find the most accurate number. So for this week, I pulled it up kind of late. It was this morning. And it was showing roughly 300 points. So you can see that I already have that mapped out. So these are pretty close. But to get the most accurate number, again, just look for it over the weekend. But that's it. So if you found this video helpful, if you've learned something new, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.